Hello everyone, welcome to Literature Learners. This channel is all about the amazing key facts and exam points related to UGC NET exams English literature. These facts and points are very useful for your exams and other competitive exams also. So, being a student of English literature, you must be searching for the exam points and facts. So, first of all, we'll begin with literary movements and groups. Okay, the first one is the apocalyptic movement. The members of apocalyptic movements are Dylan Thomas, Kathleen Raine, David Gascoigne, George Barker, Henry Treece, G.S. Fraser, Vernon Watkins, Herbert Reed. So, these members of apocalyptic movement were the groups of the people of United Kingdom. They represented the period of around 1935 to 1945. The term apocalyptic movement. The term is derived from the anthology The New Apocalypse 1939, edited by J.F. Henry and Henry Treece. So most of these writings shows the influence of surrealism in these works. The next one is aesthetic movement. It is also called arts for art's sake. The members of aesthetic movements are Oscar Wilde, Walter Pater, Harold Bloom, James A. McNeill Whistler, Aubrey Beardsley. The late 19th century European arts movement. These were the late 19th century European arts movement. Arts for art's sake became a rallying cry for them. Okay, and according to them, arts exist for the sake of its beauty alone. The next group or movement is angry young men. So it is also known as kitchen sink realism. The members are John Osborne, Kingsley Amis, Harold Pinter, John Brain, Arnold Wesker, Alan Sillitoe, Colin Wilson, Stuart Holroyd, Bill Hopkins, John Wayne. Angry Young Men is a group of British playwrights and novelists of 1950s. They mostly belonged to working and middle class. So they had a hatred and their attitude were not good towards the traditional society. And they were mostly critical about the upper class and middle class values and practices in the society. Okay, and the phrase the angry young man is derived from Leslie Paul's autobiography Angry Young Men, and the works were also referred to as kitchen sink realism. The next movement is archetypal, which is also called myth criticism. Okay, the members of archetypal criticism are Maud Botkin, Northrop Frye, James George Fraser, C.S. Jung, Joseph Campbell, Robert Graves, Francis Ferguson, Philip Wheelwright, Leslie Fielder, G. Wilson Knight. So the main source of this group and movement is C.S. Jung's collected work Spirit in Man, Art and Literature. So in his work Anatomy of Criticism, 4 essays, Northrop Frye calls the theory of unconsciousness an unnecessary hypothesis in the literary criticism. Some of the key terms related to this movement are anima, animus, and collective unconsciousness. The next group is Areopagus. The members of this Areopagus group are Sir Philip Sidney, Gabriel Harvey, Edward Dyers. Now we come to the next group, that is Auden generation, also called Pylon poets. The members are W.H. Auden, Stephen Spender, Cecil Day Lewis and Lewis MacNeice, also called Oxford poets. Okay, and they were also called 30s poets. They were actually the group of British and literary writers in the 1930s. So the term pylon is taken from Spender's poem The Pylons. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.